YouTube, back up in here with another video. Today I have a very interesting video. I was checking the air pressure in my tires, and I found out that one of my tires was very low in air, one of my drive tires, and upon further observation, you know, after I tried putting air in it from one of my tools I have here on the truck, one of my airline tools, I realized that I had a leak, and I thought about going to one of the truck stops, Love's or TA, to have it fixed. Then I thought about it. If there's a hole in it, maybe there's a screw or a nail, something of that nature may have triggered that. So I said, you know what, let me take on the task. I'm gonna get the equipment, the tools, and get to work. Worst case scenario, I'm at the truck stop and you know, I mess something up, then I just have to go in. But otherwise, I just simply try it for myself and get it done. All right, let's get to work. Again, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Let's go. And so I got it out. This is what was inside. So I'm gonna patch it. These are my tools, use my drill. All this stuff. I'm using my drill. This is soap. This is soap right here. I'm gonna use I'm gonna put it on my plug. Put it on my plug so that it slides in easier, but I'm just gonna let the most of the air get out so that can fit much easier. All right, see how it works. So I lubed it to go in. So so pushed it in. Next step, I'm gonna air it up and see what it does. There's no bubbles coming in, so yes, we fix that temporary for now. Now we're gonna start it up. Gonna air up the tire. Alright, I got a spare. I changed these two Michelin tires right here. And I have brand new Michelin tires. All these other tires, they're 3 years running. 3 years. I think I can get another 6 months out of them, so I'm keeping them. So we're gonna air up the tire. That's the setup right here. I'm gonna release the tractor brake. Release the tractor brake. I know I'm not hooked to the trailer, so I put a little chock at the wheels. So we're just gonna air it up and see what's the outcome. All right, stay tuned. Solid. Alright, I need to test it. Test the air. See how much we got in there. Okay, YouTube, the our mission is done. Let's just get rid of this extra pieces here. Yeah. Let that serve as a cushion for the hole. Yeah, we're good. Okay, YouTube, this is it. Yep, problem solved, we're good. Triple check. So remember to subscribe to the channel. Peace. Yep.